we go. There we go.
Wow, that's soft spots right there. You say he not gonna burp? He not gonna burp?
Go.
Yeah, it's gotta be him waking up because I'm sure right here.
He's so cute.
Come on, buddy, you can burp. I'll be careful where your head at right there.
He's trying to do something.
Oh, he talking.
Oh, he's talking. You telling everybody?
He got a hiccup.
You telling people? I think that was a burp. I'm not sure if it was a grunt or a burp.
You got your hiccup. What are you looking at?
Oh.
Everybody, you gotta stay in a place where you can breathe. Huh?
Uh-oh.